Hey everybody, this is the Scotsman with Alabama Pipe Welders Academy. Today we're going to do a stainless to carbon, no purge, 332 flux coated wire keyhole technique. And as you can see here, we got a tight gap. It's about a little less than a 332, and that's going to help out with this keyhole technique. Here's some info on the coated wire from COR-MET. This stuff's real good. It produces an X-ray quality weld without purging, so that's the big thing. It's a lot better than solar flux. I mean, you got really good looking shiny welds on the inside when you're done with this, and practically no setup or prep or anything, so it saves you on time and as well as the cost of gas. So the way we're doing this is that keyhole push technique from the face, and you'll see it here. You walk up a little bit, keyhole, push it in. Walk it up a little bit, keyhole, push it in. Walk it up, keyhole, push it in. And it just produces a really good, lots of root reinforcement on the inside. It's a pretty weld when you take it off and look at it. So here you can see here tying in. We did a tie-in in the middle of this weld. We'll show you the root in a minute and you'll be able to see it. You can see it stopping, coming up the bevel. Here's a look at the root, and it looks pretty good for no purge. So, y'all have any questions, y'all get a hold to us. Give us a call through Facebook or on our website at alabamapipewelders.com. Y'all have